Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad AFZAN bin ANUAR and I am from KCDIM1445C. Welcome to my presentation video on my industrial training at the SULTANAH BAHIYAH Library, University Utara Malaysia. My training took place from 21st July to 12 September 2024 and providing me with an invaluable hands-on experience and insight into library management. This presentation will highlight my experiences, tasks, special projects, and recommendations based on my time at the library. The SULTANAH BAHIYAH Library was established in 1990 and currently houses over 1.2 million materials. It plays a crucial role in supporting UUM's academic missions by providing a quality information services, promoting information literacy, ensuring resource availability, and implementing advanced management practices. The library strives to meet the needs of students, staff, and researchers alike. The library is organized into 7 key departments, which are: the first one is quality assurance and project management that ensure all services meet high standards and that projects are executed efficiently. Second is administration and human resources that manage staff recruitment, training, and workplace organization. Third is corporate communication, handles public relations, library promotions, and event organizations. Fourth is a technology and smart library that oversees the digital infrastructures and integrates new technologies to enhance services. Fifth is information and client services department that focusing on assisting users with circulation, researches, and educational resources. Number 6 is collection development. Curates the library resource and ensure that the material is accessible and relevant. And the last one is archive and management museum that preserve all the historical records and showcase the artifacts. During my training, I undertook various tasks to support the library operations. So to be exact, in Information and Client Services Department, I was tasked into client service units. So in client service units, my main task is bookshelving. Okay, so bookshelving, I need to shelving the books or arrange the books systematically to maintain the order and improve the accessibility for the patrons. Second is main entrance. So the main entrance security or MES counter, where a security procedures were followed and library users entrance and exit were monitored. So at this main entrance counter, I monitored in and out patrons that make sure that they don't bring any foods and drinks that not allowed into a library. Third is one-stop center. So one-stop center, the job entails and checking out the books, ensuring that patrons' transactions are accurate and smooth, and troubleshooting the accounts, balancing efficiency with the approachability. So we also handle fine payments and so on. And number 4 is task force. So task force is actually in the underground, and the task force counter expertly navigate library resource and library system like OPAC, so self-checkout machines and website. So we assisting patrons in resource discovery and managing a digital system and enhancing user experience. And the last is a special task that given by my boss in the units, which is a lost book report. So before this, they have used a written report in a logbook. So I create or design a new Google form for reporting lost book, which will make it easy for handling and misplace a material easiest. For the collection development department, or can be specific in a metadata unit, I doing my tasks like journal indexing. So this is my first task ever on indexing a journal. So I indexing in the My journal portal that requires a meticulous inclusion of the author's name, title, abstract, DOI numbers, use of publication, and URL requiring high concentration and accuracy. So the second one is data cleaning. So data cleaning is the process that involves data cleaning, which involve identifying errors, deleting duplicates, and maintaining data consistency, while also addressing uh, outdated data and metadata issues. We use a serial system to manage all the data's capabilities that were used for efficient editing and updating to ensuring the accuracy and consistency. The third one is assigning call number. I was given a chance from the librarian to to assign a call number for a new books. So I using my skills on my learning at universities to assign a new call number and subject heading for the books. And the last one is preparing the file. It's not a main task, but it's not the task in metadata, but it's on collection development that the others staff want me to help them to preparing a new file. So I'm preparing two new file, which is for meeting and one for policies and guidelines. So I have it with my full of creativity to prepare a new file for them. For a special project and events, I actually have so many special project and events that happen in my training time, but I will elaborate to you maybe four of them only. Alright, so the first one is events MC. So I've never been an MC before, and my first MC was at University of Malaysia, or PSB. So this is my first time. So I hosted many programs such as ceramah pengenalan bahan kimia, info hantu challenge, bakal meeting, or we call it annual meeting for bakal club, and this is enhancing my public speaking and organizational skills. Right. The second one, I have a chance to create a TikTok content to promoting library services such as SIR Corner. So this develop engaging content to promote library rules and services on social media. And fourth, I will elaborate about the library tour. So library tour is I lead for visitors, especially for high school visitors or secondary schools. So I introducing them to the library facilities and services that are available in the libraries. So and the last one is Bedah Buku and Independence Day. So I participate in academic discussion and celebrations fostering community engagement. So every 2 weeks in Tuesday we have a Bedah Buku session that can be staff will sharing what they read in the books, in the one particular books, and sharing with others what is the content in the books, what is the lessons, and so on. And other than that, I also involved in video editings of video on how to use ETCs, that now the video is on PSB portal in a guidance videos, and then I also involved in video shootings and Yasin recitations. Through my experience, I identify 3 key challenges, which is the first one is lack of integrated services within the library. So the absence of in-house services like photocopying, printing, can force patrons to leave to leave the library and to go to something for a basic needs, and this is a leading in or to the inefficiencies and inconvenience. So the second one is outdated computers or technologies or infrastructures. So the library reliance and antiquated computers hamper use productivity and creates dissatisfactions for the patrons, maybe for their completing their assignments or using a e-resource system. So maybe will have troubles with this. And the third one is limited support for academic and professional development. So the likes of structured program such as a dedicated bibliographic course for the first year's students and a mentorship program for interns results in missed opportunities to enhance research skills, information literacy, and also a practical work experience. My recommendations for the issues is the first one is library needs to organize a photocopying or scanning or printing service by eliminating the needs for the student to leave the library for necessary services, basic needs, and in-house a photocopying service would be convenient. So time would be saved and the library goal of efficiency meeting academic needs would be supported. So the users no need anymore to go out for printing or so on, right? So number two is modernize the computer in the libraries. So many of the library PC are antiquated, so which can cause inefficiencies and annoyance for the patrons. So modern high performance PC will increase the productivities, especially for students using a library system or completing their assignment and also accessing e-resource smoothly. And the last recommendations is create a mentorship program for students pursuing internship. As I mentioned, limited academic support program. Okay, there is a lack of structures, so we need to the library need to organize a mentorship program with the seasoned employees assisting. Interns would improve the educational experience, so this would guarantee that the interns know understand their responsibilities and expectation and receive a regular feedback. To be concluded in this video, I would say that my time at the Sultanah BAHIYAH Library was incredible, insightful. I gained hands-on experience, learned from a challenge, and developed skills that will help me in the future career. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.